Welcome to Core Java tutorial. Today's topic is applet graphics. So what are all the packages, classes and methods which are required for applet graphics? So see the statement java.awt.graphics. So here what is AWT? Yes, it is a package. So what about graphics? Yes, it is a class. So this graphics class consists of n number of methods for doing applet graphic programs. So see these methods. So here set color is a method to set the given color so that we can display the messages and draw various shapes in the specified color. So note it down, for all the methods the axis specifier is public. So which indicates its visibility axis. So which can be accessed anywhere. So what about this abstract here? Yes. So the definition of these methods are not available inside this class. So the subclass which is going to inherit this class is going to provide the definitions, right? So what about void? So this method is not going to return anything. So which is given by this keyword void. So see the set color method. So all the method names, so which consist of two words. So the first letter should be in small, whereas the first letter of second word should be in capital. So note it down. Set color, C should be in capital. In case of set font, F is in capital letter. So similarly for drawstring, S should be in capital. So for set color, we are passing the object reference of which class? Yes, color. So this color is part of AWT package. So in case of set font, we are going to pass the object reference of font class. So by using drawstring, we can display a message. So for those, we are passing three arguments. So the first is the message which is to be displayed, followed by X location and Y location. See a simple applet program to display a message. So what is the first statement? So that is applet tag. So this can be included in any part of the program, at the end or at the middle or after the import statement also. So this applet tag consists of three important attributes, namely code, width and height. So for this code, we are passing the class as value followed by width and height. So these are all the numeric values. So in this applet tag, so note it down, applet tag must be enclosed within command lines so that it will be ignored by the Java compiler. So next we are importing the packages. What are all the packages we must import? Yes, applet and AWT. So next we are inheriting this applet class, so which is in this applet package. So this is going to provide the lifecycle methods, right? So don't forget to go this public access specifier, else Java compiler will show an error during runtime. Okay. So class is followed by class name. So here class name is any valid user defined name which is going to extends. So extends it's indicate what? Single inheritance. So here superclass is applet, whereas subclass is draw applet. So now we are going to define our main method, so which is public void. So for this main, we are passing the object of graphics class. So this graphics class is part of this AWT package. So now we are going to display a string. So before that, we are assigning the color and font. So how can you set the color? By using set color method. So for this we are passing color dot red. So here what is color? So which is a class in this package AWT. Whereas what about red? So which is written in capital letter. So if it is written in capital letter, what it means? Yes, it is a final variable. So whose value cannot be changed. So final variable is similar to constant in C and C++. So by using class name, we are invoking this variable. So this is a static variable. So by looking this, you should be in position to tell what is color, what is red. So color is a class which is in the package AWT, whereas red is final static variable of this color class. Next, we are going to assign the font. So for this, we are invoking setFont method. So for the setFont, the argument will be the object of font class. So how can you create an object in Java? Yes, class name followed by object name equal to new. What is this font here? Yes, it is a parameterized constructor. So for this, we are passing 3 arguments. So first is font name, and the second is font style, and third is the font size. So here font name may be any name. It need not be Times New Roman. Okay. So the second is the font style. Okay. So now tell me what is font, what is bold. Yes. Font is class, whereas bold is final static variable of this font class. So third is font size. You can give any numeric value here. So now after assigning the color and font, we are going to display the string by using drawString method. So the first argument is the message which is going to be displayed in the applet window, followed by X position and Y position value. So now we are going to display another string in the color.blue. So here color is class, blue is what? Yes, final static variable. So here another way of assigning the font. No need to create an object. So we can directly pass this new font as an argument to the setFont method. So new font of sans serif is the, what is this here? Font name, whereas font.italic is the style. So italic is the final static variable of font class. So here you can combine these two things also. Font.bold plus font.italic. So that is also correct. So here 36 is the font size. Now we are displaying the message by using drawString method. See this output. As usual, we are compiling applet by using JavaC compiler, and we are displaying the output by using applet viewer, or we can use any browser. Right? So see this output. We are displaying two strings with the different colors and fonts. So what are all the other methods which are provided by graphics method? Graphics class. Okay. So draw line. So by using draw line, we can draw a line. So for this, we are passing 4 arguments. So we need 2 points. So starting location is x1, y1, whereas ending location is x2, y2. So draw oval and fill oval. So for both draw oval and fill oval, the number of arguments are same. So that is top left corner. So that is given by xy followed by width and height. So in case of draw oval, an empty oval will be displayed, whereas fill oval, an oval with shaded color will be displayed. So similarly, we can draw an arc and fill an arc. So by using draw arc and fill arc methods. So see the arguments for arc. So xy, so top left corner followed by width and height and 2 angles, namely starting angle and the arc angle. So now we are going to display rectangle. So for this, we are using draw rect method and fill rect method. So for both draw rect and fill rect, the number of arguments are same. So first is the x position followed by y position, which indicates top left corner values, followed by width and height. So in case of draw rect, it is only an empty rectangle. So whereas in case of fill rect, so which is filled by a color. So see this code so that you can easily understand. So first we are using applet code within this command line. Then we are importing the packages, namely applet and AWT. So now we are going to define our class which extends this applet. So within this pane, we are going to draw a rectangle. So first we are setting the color by using setColor method. So the color is class, whereas red is the final static variable of this color class. We are going to draw a rectangle. So what are these four values? So first is x position, y position, width and height. So next we are going to set the color again by using setColor method. So here the color value is green here. So what is green here? Final static variable of color class. Now we are going to fill the rectangle with green color. So here the number of arguments will be same. See this output. So here it is an empty rectangle when we are using drawRect. So when we are using fillRect, so which is filled with green color. Answer me. So there are two questions for you. So the first question is, which methods are invoked when we are closing the applet window or closing the browser? So there are three options for you. The first option is stop method and the second is destroy method. Third is both stop and destroy methods. So the second question is, select the execution sequence of applet lifecycle methods. So the order in which they are invoked. So the first option is init, start, paint, stop and destroy. Whereas the second sequence is start, init, paint, stop and destroy. Whereas the last option is init, paint, start, stop and destroy. So these are all the questions based on the applet lifecycle methods.